that's not Hello Kitty.
Okay, oh, right here, Hello Kitty too. Yeah, everything Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
That's Bunny. And that's Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go to Hello Kitty.
Yeah. No, not yet.
Not yet.
Train station. Look on the left.
Oh, let's take a picture here. Oh, later.
The step.
I see Hello Kitty's sister.
You do?
She has a little bow.
Lelo bow. She has a Lelo bow.
Oh, I see a Hello Kitty.
Come on, honey, let's go. Straight.
Hi friends, today we're going to Hello Kitty Land.
Yeah.
Castle.
Yeah. All right.
We're going inside to check it out.
All right. Check it out. We're getting closer.
Hold on. Give me a second.
Mommy,
You take your picture.
Okay, let's go to the map.
Go get a guide map.
Okay, go get it.
This one?
Yeah.
What is that?
Guide map.
What is that?
It's a map. Go get one, Kelvin.
My own map. I need the map. Oh, Hello Kitty! She's so
Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah, she's so pretty.
Come on, let's
All
go.
right, let's go.
We got a
We
map.
got a map. Okay.
So, let's go now.
We'll wait for Daddy. Daddy's still there.
Okay.
Wait for Daddy, okay? She's going. Come on, go. Kelby, don't go too far.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we are.
At Hello Kitty now.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
Whoa, big rainbow. Let's go here first.
Hold on.
Hey, let's take a picture here. Oh, look.
This place will give you not really.
Hey, say hi. Mushy mushy.
I want some ice cream.
I want some ice cream. Yeah, let's take a picture here. Come on, let's take a picture here. Kelvin. Take a picture here. Say cheese. Okay, go with Daddy. Daddy, go. Okay, say cheese. Whoa, let's go this way. Oh, it's the cafe. This is the cafe, guys. Wow, where do you want to go, Kelby? You just go wherever you want to go. Ooh, this is a restaurant. Where? Go here?
Yeah.
Okay, what's in here? My Melody Shop. It's a shopping stuff. Whoa, you want some of these?
Yeah.
Which one do you want? No, you have to wear one of these. Want this one?
I want
Want that one? Okay. Oh, let's come here first. Let's come here first. Let's see what's over here. So pink. Yeah. Ooh. Over there. Is this what you like? Is she what you like? This is your favorite? No? Okay.
What's this?
I think it's candy. I'm not sure. Whoa, look at this. A lot of people.
Is that like a land?
This is the land. Whoa, look at this pink stuff. Meow shop. So cute. Oh, you want to eat some stuff? Picture here, Kelby. Oh, look at this. No, we're gonna meet this person right here. We're gonna take a picture. Remember? Wow.
Let's check it out.
Wow, so pink.
And mommy.
Go over here. Go take a picture. Yeah. Here, take a picture right here.
There's no.
Come on. No, pet the squirrel. Okay, go sit right there, Kelby. Honey, can I have me and Kelby? That's so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. There's so many cute stuff here.
Baby.
Yeah, they're babies. Whoa.
Let's go underground.
Okay, let's go downstairs. Oh, let's take a picture here, Kelby.